So now you know.
That's no no.
That's no no. Like when you know.
That's no no. That's no no. She can recite 1 from 90210. She doesn't care what you're going to say. If you debate with her,
School you on philosophy anyway.
Funny how no outfits. Frozen is a play with overtly homosexual subcontext, and she thinks this song is gay.
She worked